All right. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me now?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, good morning.
The
Yes, I
volume
can
is
hear you
low.
now. Good morning,
It's
sir.
low.
My side is low.
Yeah, I'm just hearing faintly. Okay, maybe let me join back.
Increase.
Let me off and join again. Maybe to be.
Let you do what? Can you hear me now? Increase your volume.
Hello, can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly.
All
Can
right.
you hear me too?
Yes, I can
Can you
hear
hear?
you. I
All
can
right.
hear
Good
you.
morning. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
All right. Where are you currently now?
I'm in UK.
Okay. I can remember you now. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So, how is everything, sir?
We thank God, though. You know, I told you that time that I wanted to load $1,000, which I did.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
since then, I've just been struggling. Of course, I know I got distracted sometimes, but even at that, sometimes if I want to take trades on my own, I will check the inbuilt chart. Of course, there are times that I get alert. Sometimes I didn't get alert, but that's not even the problem. I will scroll the whole thing. When I see any possibility, yeah, and then he's saying buy, and I see that it's within the 0, 1, and 2. I follow the rules, and then I will now initiate the trade and put my stop loss above the everything you thought anyway. But I sometimes maybe I always close quickly or something. Yeah, but sometimes I've now decided to start leaving it. I'll just leave it to run. And of course, of the truth, if I leave it to run, it will enter positive no matter how long it takes. So, but I want to switch to FX, like I told you. I've is forex that I load 1,000. So, but I've not subscribed for forex. Is volatility I've been trading, and that trade is manipulative. So I want to quickly focus on. So most of the time, I wait for your signal for forex. And you know, I can't be waiting. But each time I see your signal, like that yesterday, CHFJPY, as in it was so painful that I went and put TP. If I should know, I should not put TP, too close. It would have eat serious money. But that's not even the problem. But I just want to know exactly that pro aspect that each time I have time to check, I can check the sniper entry, the neutral trend, everything, and I will take trade myself without any worry.
Okay. No problem. That's why a lot. I see how training by 7. There's in the platform. Another person is still complaining that he doesn't understand this. You understand? So, and that's why I differentiated it. If you know you are a pro trader, you have a lot of tools there. You understand?
Um,
A pro trader, you have like that trade I took. It did not come from smash 100. It did not come from sniper entry. It did not come from key level. The system just notified me that there's going to be a turning point. Turning point simply means that price has been in an uptrend for a long time. And he noticed there's going to be a shift in the market. He just sent me a turning point. That's all. That turning point, I don't even need to check if price is on top of a resistance. It's type price is below a resistance, but I know price has already got so far, and he needed to change direction on his own. You understand? So that's why that turning point came. I posted it. I loaded my account. I already know. You notice price was just going up and down. I know say when he won't drop, he will drop. That's what turning point is all about. Most times, I only use turning point on gold, but this one I saw that the price has been up for more than so many days, if not weeks. Price has been up for weeks or months, and immediately he gave me that turning point and that pair, and I know it's JPY pair, and JPY if they want to bless you, they will bless you. So that's why I just took only that trade and allow it to smash. And you saw I banked about 300 pips. Though I closed out my big lot size first, took about 50k out first. Then I now allowed the remaining one to run. That remaining one still gave me about 20k on it again because I did about 300 pips there before I now told everybody to close. So that's notwithstanding. The software is powerful if you understand it. Yes,
I'm among the first people to know this software. I should not be stranded. God help me.
Yes, you're not. So that's why we're here. I'm giving you one-on-one training. I still have one person I'm still going to give one-on-one training. I will show you step by step. What is this one for? 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 Simple as ABC. Another thing, learn to hold your trade. Learn to hold your trade. Forget you've loaded your money. You have $1,000. You've loaded it. Forget about it. If now let's start with the risk management aspect. So I'm going to go to this place. I think I'm in now. Click on this one. Understand it so that you will not panic. Click this place. You can get a pen and start writing. You understand? Get a pen and start writing.
Give me 1 minute. Let me quickly get a pen. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, you can go on.
Okay. Now, for the risk management aspect, which is the key for everything, because if you take a trade and you are panicking, you will not allow the trade to manifest what you want to do, be it hitting your stop loss or taking you out or giving you profit. You will not allow it to do it because you'll be panicking that this thing might blow my account or I'm losing a lot of money. But if you come here now and follow this risk management I want to show, you'll be rest assured that worst comes worst, if anything happen, I am losing X amount of money. So you've already lost the money in your heart. So anything the market is doing again, no concern you. Do you understand? Yesterday, before I made that, before the market dropped, I was already in negative $1,200.
Okay.
Yes, but I already know how much. My stop loss was wide, as at 70 pips or something. So I wasn't panicking already. I know I know that price will not get to that place so long it's turning point. So long it's showing me turning point, and I know price has gotten to the peak. When I was even having minus $1,200, I no panic because it hasn't hit my SL. I just left it. Still be looking at the chart. Immediately it dropped. One candle dropped. The other one now followed and dropped. That's why I posted the result and I told everybody to close out trade. So now let's understand how we'll be able to hold our trade. If we understand this place, every other thing you can make money. Okay, now let's go to this place. Now you see where we have pips calculator. You can see this thing, pips calculator. This is where yes, sorry, let me go back again. This is where you build your confidence on. Once you understand this thing, forex is either you make money or you lose money.
Yeah.
You understand? You make it just like, let me put it like, let's understand this. Forex is not gambling, but let me use football. Yes, let me use football as example.
Okay.
Let's say, for instance, Nigeria and which country? Okay, Nigeria and Brazil want to play football, and you just take that Nigeria is going to win. Sure, Nigeria is going to win. If the match is going on, will you go and close out your? Let's say, for instance, Brazil is winning Nigeria. Will you just go and shut down the bet that you took? You allow it for everything to manifest first. If Nigeria had to equalize, they equalize. If they don't, you leave it. But the case of forex now, we don't have a time boundary. There's nothing like a time boundary on it because it's not a bet. There's nothing like a time boundary because price can be on a consolidation for 3 days, 4 days. So long it has not hit your stop loss, you are still in that market.
Okay.
So long it hasn't hit a stop loss, you are still in that market. Now, the reason why people rush and close trade, number one, they want to make money ASAP. That day, they want, I won't make $1. No, be me and you, nobody they control the markets.
Yeah.
The only person I know that controls the market is the CBN governor of the United States of America. If that one cough, something will happen. He knows everything. He knows how the manipulation and everything. That's the only man on earth that can shake the forex market. Apart from that, every other thing, all of them are scam. Those are the only person that can direct. Like, I can tell you that today, we go crash dollar. Today, we go pull dollar and it will happen. Do you understand? But apart from that, me and you, nobody knows. The software can only get a shock in the market that this price has reacted to this level many years ago. And this thing is not 100%. This thing might drop or this thing might bounce off.
Yeah.
That's the job of the software. So if it gives you that possibility, what is left for you is to go and risk the particular amount that you are willing to lose. First of all, will they lose money first? For my mind, I don't lose that money. I don't lose that.
Exactly.
Zero your mind. So long you've entered the market, there are two things that is going to happen. It's either you make money or you lose money. But you don't close it by yourself. You've already targeted that this 70 pips times my 0.1 is $70. That money don't go. Then you be patient. Even if it takes 2-3 days for that account to hit stop loss or to make profit, you relax your mind. You relax your mind. So long the signal is coming from the software, relax your mind. It will definitely, before it will tell you, take what's it called? Buy or sell, turning points, trend direction, and all that. Everything has been calculated, has been tested. All you need to, what I'm doing, I'm trying to build your confidence. You understand? Relax. The only way you panic is that you did not put stop loss, number one. You are risking more than what you can lose. You are risking like 50% or 70% of your account. That is where you start panicking.
Exactly.
That's where you start panicking. Forex is very easy, especially if you know what you're doing and if you have the right tools. There are two things. There are two different kinds of traders. There are some persons who are very good, very, very good. They'll do the analysis and wait. There are some persons like me. I don't like stress. I prefer to use system to tell me what I want. Easy. Those are the kind of people that trade forex. But there's another set of people too that they will do the analysis properly, very, very well. They'll do it properly, but they will not have that patience to wait for it to manifest. They will not close alongside. Maybe they will just close with small profit, or they will close when price is going against them. At the long run, maybe 4 or 5 hours later, they'll see that price as they'll start biting their fingers. So now, for you to succeed in this game, You are an old school guy, so you already know this thing, but you don't want to apply it. Relax your mind, zero your mind. Zero your mind and risk what you can afford to lose. Now let's go down to the pips calculator. Let's go down to the pips. Now you have $1,000 loaded in your account. $1,000 equity. $1,000. What is the preferred lot size that can give you peace of mind? Even if, let's say, we hit stop loss 10 times, that means that 10 times you take trade more than 10 times before you'll be able to blow this account. But me, I know that this software cannot give you straight up stop loss 10 times. It's not possible. So now let's do the proper calculation of the lot size that you need for this account so that you will not panic at all. Now let's try 0.1. Let's see what we're going to get. If our stop loss is 80 pips,
okay,
I buy, for instance. So I am risking 8% of my account.
Okay.
Now, before you have $1,000 to deposit in your account, you know, be small person. Before you can put $1,000 in your account, which is about what's it called? About roughly 1.6 million or thereabouts. You are not a baby. You know they hungry. Hungry know they beat you. Do you understand? Hungry know they beat you. Now, before we go further, now the reason why people still lose money or does not have patience to allow the market to go, maybe they have 50,000 or 200,000 in their accounts, and that 200,000 is where they are feeding, where their house rent is, where what's it called, where their miscellaneous everything is, and they now put this money inside forex. When they put this money inside for, they go chop now. They want to pay, so they will be struggling with this account to be forcing the market to give them profit, and nobody can control the market. Now, when they won't move, it will move. Do you understand? So, for you to have this $1,000, meaning say you dey chop well, you are eating well. So this one is like your business. This is your capital. Then you've already have money for your feeding, your fuel, your miscellaneous and all that. Your house rent, everything has been put in place. With this, you can trade confidently. So now, if your stop loss is you are risking 8% of these accounts, you will not be stressed that I must eat today because you've already settled everything, your feeding and everything. It's just for you to relax. Allow it to hit stop loss or what? Let it bring profit. Now, if this trade hits stop loss, because I always go for the worst first. If it hits stop loss, you still have $920 for the next trade. Just one position, you are okay. I open a lot of position, my equity na increase. Even if that account said that yesterday trade hits stop loss, I lose about 20K. I still have enough money in that account. I have enough money. Even if it hits SL, I still have enough money, and I still get food when I go chop. My business will still be going on well. So if forex is all about planning, as in it's just like you have a shop. Let's say, for instance, you have a shop. You can go to your shop, you will not sell today, but you go see chop for house because everything has been in place. Yes, it's not
take part of your shop this thing and chop.
No, because that your shop is where you get money from, and before it's not a must that once you go there you must sell so that you now take chop for house. No, everything has a good businessman plans everything well. So if you're a good businessman, you see forex as a business. Set aside the money for your business, set aside the money for your miscellaneous and everything. So if money no come for forex, you lose today, you go see survive the next day. So the reason why people get in trouble is that same money they are supposed to use to survive, that is what they use in depositing in that account. So they will be tense when money is not coming. They will want to close out that trade. Immediately, because they'll be afraid if this thing lose, wait till I want to survive, they'll just close it. Before they know, they'll close and close everything out.
This is that's the psychology behind this forex. People who did this forex, I understand what you're saying.
Okay, now very well. You are a pro trader. I know you're a pro trader. So I'm just trying to talk to you, pro and pro, so that you understand it. So if pro and pro they talk together, they understand themselves very well. Do you
Yeah.
understand? So that is that. So if we now understand that, what comes worse, so long you put your SL and you are not trading when there is news. It's only when there is news that NFP or CPI will jump this your SL and eat into your account.
Yeah.
But on a normal, which is called spillage and all that, on a normal market condition, your stop loss will be respected.
Okay.
And close, you still have extra 120. So with this now, just one position is okay. And even if you are targeting $50
Okay.
as take profits,
Yeah.
I think that depending on the pair you're actually trading, but I prefer you focus on only gold, so that you'll not be trading anyhow pair. Once the signal come, go for gold. Gold is very easy. You understand? If it's buying, you are sure of maybe 20, 30 pips. If
Yeah.
it's going against you, to go against you, it moves in one direction and go in the opposite direction. So stick with gold. Anytime, if it's 2 times, 3 times that signal come, and you'll be able to make $40 or $50, you'll be fine.
Okay.
Yes, you'll be fine. If you can, there's what they call trailing stop. You know trailing stop
Yeah.
now, right?
Yes.
You can be trailing it as it's going profit. You trade $10, you move again to now good. Now good must do magic. As it's going gold yesterday now, because there was a news yesterday that it did over 400 pips, but I
I
did
saw
not
it.
trade good. I did not trade good. I did not get any notification, so I did not trade good. If not for Nakam anyhow, so I did not do anything. It was the one I got. Once I get one signal, I consider. If you notice, I don't open 2 pairs at the same time.
Yeah.
Just one pair, I'll load it. Once I get it, I know something must come out from inside. So focus on just one pair. Focus on gold is volatile. Do you understand? Focus on gold. Focus on gold. Yes, focus on gold. Maybe Euro USD or any other JPY pair, GBP JPY. Those ones are still okay. Just those two. If signal come, you take the trade. If signal no come, relax.
Okay.
Do you understand? Yes, with these 2 pair I just mentioned, if price going in your favor, you have there's a possibility of you going home with, if you're using this formula I just mentioned, have the possibility of going home with $40, $50, 20 minimum, $40, $50 allow to ride. Just relax. If you have $1,000, relax. The same thing with somebody that still have what's it called, $100. All you need to do, reduce your lot size to 0.01, because your profit must be proportional to what you have.
Yeah.
So that you can, yes, the same thing too. If you can see, I'm using $100, 0.01. I'm still losing 8% of my account. So I still have $92. So I don't need to panic. So this $8 I'm losing. So I'm expected to make profit of $5, $4 because of my equity. It's proportional.
Yeah.
You understand? It's proportional. So these ones are for smaller accounts, but your own, we're using your own as a case study, which is $1,000. So if you lose 8% of your $1,000, you know, suppose worry.
I get. Okay.
You know, suppose panic. So now hold your trade. Hold it, no matter what. Hold it. There's a guy in the Telegram channel that I normally call class captain. He's following my step in the whole trade, no matter what. At the long run, we will have drawdown. At the long run, we could see collect money.
Wow.
It's the one I normally call class captain. It's the one that makes sure everything is going on well. If you notice in the Telegram channel, he is following my pattern. Take trade, put your SL, waiting won't happen, may happen. Highest na stop loss. Nobody go die. Highest na stop loss. So once you understand this thing, you make up your mind, you'll be fine. Worst comes worst na stop loss. You know, you calculate now me calculate with I won't risk. I me calculate now. Try I say I won't risk $50. If $50 lose, I die. I no go die now. You know die. Is when you don't have plan. That's where anything that comes will shake you. I say today now I won't take trade. I won't lose $50. I concern you. You don't concern anybody. Now me won't lose my money now. $50. Then allied. If price has not gotten to that your essay, you don't need to panic. Price is minus $20, but you say you won't lose $50. So why you call the panic? That's what Excel is there for. Because the market must move up, tempt you, ginger those when no get mind. It will take them out. At the long run, it will go the normal direction if everything is right. So drawdown is normal. You don't need to close out. Don't make up your mind. Today, this trade I want to take, it is $50 because okay, you're using 0.1. It's $80 I want to risk. Waiting won't happen, make it happen. $80. Then you relax it. So even though you're seeing minus 60, share na $80 you won't risk. And you don't need to panic. That's it. So if you can hold yourself, practice it, hold yourself. I can play straight and go and sleep. The only reason why I monitor so that I'm using big lot size. Once 20, 30 pips enter, I'm okay. I'm okay. But if I'm using a small lot size, I don't go rest. Wait it consign me. I don't go rest. If I'm using the lowest, I trade 0.01. If I've gotten my target already, now 0.01 at the trade. Because of the free signal I want to give, I'll just put 0.01. Go relax. Because at the end of the day, I will see make $2, $3, 20 pips, $5. Do you understand? So everything is all about calculation. Get your target for that week. If your target is $300, once you have it, stop trading. Wait for the next week. Yes. No don't. You see, I know they over trade. You know, I don't like today now. Maybe in a synthetic, I will focus today. So that's like it. So if you understand this now, we are good to go. If you're still confused, you can still go here. The more your equity is increasing or the more it's coming down, you come here, adjust it. Play with it. Just play. You'll see everything spelled out very, very easy. So now, if our risk management is okay, now let's go and look for opportunities on how to make money in the market. So first of all, we're going to use the standard, which is the Smash 100, that help us analyze the market. This is the only one that gives us signal. The other ones, as a pro trader, you should know what is trend direction. You should know what is sniper entry. You should know what is turning points. You should know what, again, reaction to resistance and support. That's key level. But now, let's go to this one. Smash 100. The normal rules, you understand, which I believe you know already, but let's just touch it, okay? Let's just touch it. Now, let's say, for instance, look at this pair now. It's telling us up move. This DSY is telling us up move, and numbers of candle it says. Now, let's assume that this candle was 0, 1, or 2. Now, before we take this trade, listen, before we take this trade, we'll go to our inbuilt chart. We'll go to an inbuilt chart. No, so now let's go to the inbuilt chart and see what is happening there. Let's say, for instance, I want to buy. Even now, let's say we want to buy now. So let's go to the inbuilt chart and see what is going on so that you know if you can take this trade or if you know you are not going to take this trade. The inbuilt chart help you to filter the market. To help you to filter it so that you know that there's a space I need to cover. If it's close to a resistance, I will not take it. So now we want to buy. Let's see. My network, maybe this network no crazy. Just hold on, let it load. Once it loads, I'll show you that. Okay, it's up now. It is DSY. Let's go to DSY. This is DSY. So I'll load it. You click on load. You know how to use this, right?
Load, yes. Settings. Then
you click load. So the next thing, I'll click settings. Click what's it called? WL. WL is the standard, which is the weekly key level. WL is the weekly key level. Now, if you notice that the system told us to buy, and as you can see, this is a daily candle. There's a drawdown going on now. Price is actually coming down to a drawdown to come and test what this pivot. Now, if I was supposed to buy from here because there is a space up here, my stop loss is supposed to be here. because it's
Okay.
below what a resistance. I no panic, even if it's coming like this. I am not
All
going
right.
to panic because it's already in an up move. It already did
Okay.
up move, so I don't
Sorry,
need to panic at all.
let me ask. So the stop loss is not going to be below this purple line. It's going to be below the
Okay,
the,
now let me explain it. This purple line is a starting point. It sounds like a resistance and support, but this is the main support. This is the main
okay.
resistance.
Okay.
So I'll
Okay.
prefer to. It's like this thing is not updated. It's like this thing is not updated because this should be yesterday candle. Because as gold was buying, this guy is supposed to drop.
Okay.
Yes, let's check your chart first. Check your chart.
No, I'm
Let me
yet.
see what.
I can't open my chart again now till I subscribe. I want to subscribe this morning
No,
now.
no, no. Check your MT5.
Okay, 55. All right.
Check
Yeah.
your MT5. Let me check get my laptop first.
Okay. Will I? Okay. Come in.
Just check your daily candle if it corresponds with what I'm saying.
For gold, Abi,
DSY.
DXY, DXY. Okay. Oh yeah. Is here. Let me screenshot it.
Is it the same thing? The same candle formation?
No, this one went down seriously.
Yes, that was yesterday. That's what I want to check now. System has not updated that chart.
No, it's not the same. This one went down seriously.
The
Let me
one that is
screenshot it.
showing on the app went down, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
As in the one on the
The app,
MT5.
the one on the MT5 went down. Currently now, the normal current candle.
Yes, I've sent it to you on WhatsApp.
Okay, let me check it. No, put it on daily candle. Daily candle.
Okay, daily candle.
Yes.
Okay. Let me screenshot it. Just like that too, but it's what we are seeing is the same.
It's the same. Okay, no, let me just cross check very well.
I've sent to you now on WhatsApp.
DSY. Okay, I'll check it. DSY. Okay, it has not updated. So the system will update. So you see the difference.
Okay.
The system will update. Yes, it will update now. So let's go to the input chart. You can see it's going to update. It has updated now. You see it. So this
Okay.
was, can you see the screen now? You see the
Yes.
difference? It
Yeah.
has updated now. So now let's go back to the the signal. Let's go back to the signal. So smash, where is it again? This,
Smash 100.
yes, smash 100. Okay, let's look for that same DSY.
Okay.
This is DSY. We should be having a sell. It hasn't updated yet. Let's see what's going on.
Maybe you should click that update. Click to update app.
No, I'm coming. To see, my network is slow. Okay, it's correct. It's correct. So now it's telling us to buy,
Yeah.
which is an up move. Is we're telling us to buy. Now let's go to the inbuilt chart and see what is going on there. Let's go to the inbuilt chart, which is DSY. I'll load it. Yes, this is what I wanted to see. As you can see now,
Yeah.
this is a very sweet buy. It's going to be very sweet buy. As you can see, yesterday, price dropped from here.
Yeah.
It should have given a signal to sell. So if you're selling, target should be here. Your stop loss should be above this level.
Okay.
Yes, above this. You see that price won't have touched you at all. It's just for
Okay.
you to relax. Price might be going up and down, going up and down. It's just for you to what? To relax your mind. Do you
Okay.
understand? Now, let's say, for instance, we want to take this buy, for instance. As you are taking this buy now,
Yeah.
it's telling us price has changed. It's telling us buy. And apart from that, you as a pro trader, you should know the meaning of this candle because
Yeah.
price get to this level and rejected.
Yeah.
Price get to, now let's go to 4 hours. I think we have some okay, let's go to 1 hour and see what happened previously before this today's market. I don't know if we can get like 10 candles. 10 candles from now, we'll still have yesterday. Let's see. Let me load this. So this is what happened yesterday. It's very small. We'll not be able to see it properly. But with the daily, you will understand that there was a rejection in that level.
Yeah.
So
At
you
that
understand
level,
that's why this one is for a pro trader. You need to understand your inbuilt chart very well. So there's a rejection here. That's why you're seeing this week here.
yes.
And now we're having today's candle now. The system told us to buy. So our stop loss is supposed to be here because price
Exactly.
rejected this level. So we'll be comfortably putting our stop loss here and allow the market to do its thing.
Mm.
Do you understand? So we don't put our stop loss inside this place because now price will still come back and retest this level.
Okay.
Yes, because this is a free zone. This is a
Okay.
free zone. Yes, it's a free zone. Anything can happen here. From this
Mm.
level to this level is a free zone. Do you
Okay.
understand? Yes,
Okay.
this level to, so we don't put our stop loss here inside here. You understand? The only thing that is allowed, maybe your take profit, because we know
Okay.
that price must move from this level to this level. It must move like this. This is a free zone.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a free zone. Price will go up, come down, go up, come down, go. But if it's a trending market, it will break this place, go up, break it. But just like what you're seeing here.
Exactly.
Do you understand? But if you want to consolidate, it's not going to go above this place. So you have the opportunity to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, if you know what you're doing. So if we are to take this trade now, to take this buy, my SL will be here quietly without stress.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. No, you don't need to panic. The only time the mistake will come, you should go and put your SL here. Because this thing tested this place. Price will still come back and form another week here if you want to draw down. But it's not going to be below this previous candle. So if you are using tight stop loss here, you'll be knocked out. You might be lucky, price will just move up straight. But if you want to have a drawdown, it will take you out.
Okay.
Yes, because now this support you're seeing here, this is support 2. Look at it. You see the price, this is support 2. Now this support is standing like a shield for you, because yesterday price could not break this level and price rejected and going up, and the system now told us this is an up move. So there is a possibility of this thing going back.
Yeah, I get.
So your stop loss is going to be here, so you don't need to panic at all.
Okay.
Yes, it's only when your stop loss is here that's where there's a chances that what you get knocked out. Now the only time price will break a level, because there was a news yesterday, that's why you say price broke this level.
Okay.
Yes, there was news on US pair and this DSY. That's why price broke this level and moved it down to this place, couldn't break this one, rejected back.
Okay, I get that.
Yes. Yes, you understand it now. So if we are to take this trade now, we'll do another example again. If we are to take this trade, our stop loss is going to be here. Let's understand this. Our stop loss is going to be here. Then our target might be here, or depending on the numbers of pips you want.
Okay.
Because price must move from zone to zone.
Okay.
If you have the patience, it will get to this place. If you have the patience, you will get to this place. But if you say it's 20, 30 pips from here, anywhere, because here to here is a free zone, price will definitely come back. It's simple now. Look at here. From here down to this place. It will come here, either retest or break it or drop down. There are two things. Once price get to this place, it's either you break it and continue, get to this level, break here, continue, get to. But today is Friday. Next week, now a different key level will appear. So this week now is already gone.
Okay.
Yes, it's already gone. So now we need to understand where to position our SM. If we get it right, we'll be fine. So now we have used the DSY as an example. Now let's use another pair again and look for signal. Then look for another pair to trade. So now let's go to what's it called? Let's just look for another pair to see if we have another opportunity. Let's say GBP USD. Let's see what's good. Or let's use any other pair like this. My network is slow. What's happening? Hope you're still connected.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Just hold on.
Okay.
All right, now let's look at this guy again. Card JPY.
Right.
It's telling us to buy. So had it been we entered when price was 0. Now let's go back and see what the inbuilt chart is saying. Card JPY.
Okay.
Let's go to the inbuilt charts. So we'll do like 2 examples, then you understand how to use the inbuilt charts. So card JPY.
Okay.
I'll load it.
I even want us to spend more time after this one, sir. Please, let's spend more time on that the pro aspect, the neutral.
No problem. I want you to understand the inbuilt. Even if you're using the trend direction, you still use this inbuilt chart. Just understand it. Yeah, the inbuilt chart help you to filter out the trade.
The trade,
you understand? Yes, to filter out the one you take or not. You understand? Okay. So let's click on weekly. Now, had it been I set my notification alerts, price would have told me that price has touched this level.
Yeah.
It will tell me that price has touched resistance level. I will not buy back because price moved from zone. The reason why this thing happened was a fall of yesterday.
Yeah, it was much.
Yeah, all JPY crashed to this level. So if had it been my notification was available for this card JPY, it will notify me that price has touched support 3. Once it touched support 3, that's the end of the week. So it's left for me to start buying. Okay. Do you understand? Yes, it's left for me to buy. So now when you see something like this now, there's no key level underneath it again, because this is the last level for the week. If you see, that massive move did not go below this level. To show you how powerful key level is, we did not move below this level. It closes above it. That's how powerful key level is. Broke everything down. You imagine, why is it that is this place that it went to stop?
Honestly,
Why? Okay, why is it that price now is buying now, currently went to cover this place? Because this now sounds like a resistance to it. It's finding it difficult to break this level. So that's why I always say, because there's no huge momentum now. That's why it's here now. From here to here is a free zone.
Yeah.
So as he told you now to buy, let's say you saw it at 0 candle. The next thing you need to do, because now there is no current key level, weekly key level now, is either you put it below the previous rejection here, or you go to your daily, because the whole weekly key level has been exhausted.
Yeah.
Everything has been exhausted. All you need to do to go to the daily to get a fresh one for today.
Okay.
So where will I put my stop loss now? This was yesterday. Now the system told me to buy. Now my SL is going to be here.
Yeah, exactly. I get it.
For today. Because yesterday weekly has been exhausted, and price cannot go below that again.
Okay.
Because this heavy move that happened now other country here, and other country now, they want to what? Balance up the economy. Now simple logic that they play for them. They want to push it up a little bit. Because that key level is like a benchmark for everybody.
I understand.
So now, I want you to get it clearly. So now, once that thing is exhausted, just use your daily for that day alone, only that day alone. You put your SL here, and you are like, you would have been in profit for 0 candle. Now it has done 7 hours. Price must have moved. You must have seen something. So that's how to use your input charts.
Okay.
That's how to use your input chart. So the next thing now, the next one that is as a pro trader, what you're supposed to focus on, key level. That one is powerful. Key level. That's the next thing you need to do. That's the next focus. Apart from this smash 100, the next focus, because key level is powerful, price always react to key level. And once price react to key level, there's always a bounce or a break.
Okay.
There's always a bounce or a break. Now you understand smash 100. For the pro again, another way is to trade key level.
Okay.
Trade key level. Trade what? Key level. Trade key level. As a pro trader, the next, apart from this software, if you want to trade manually, you draw your levels out, your resistance and support. When price gets to a level, it's either it breaks it or it drops.
Okay.
Now, as a pro trader, what you need to do now, you already understand the smash 100. That's the strategy on its own. Now, I want to go into the pro aspect.
Okay.
How pro trade. Now, first of all, you need to program the app for you to get a notification. Let me go back. So that when price touch any resistance and support, let it notify you.
Okay.
Then you know the next action. Now, let's say, for instance, how do I program this thing? I'll click on this guy here. I'll click on this guy. The one I just showed you now is for a newbie.
Okay.
That smash 100 is for newbie. You understand? Because I'm going to post this so that they will learn it. It's for newbie. Now, I want to go to the advanced as a pro guy, because we can trade anytime, anyhow, anywhere. So long price is reacting to a key level. We can trade with key level. We can trade with turning points. We can trade with anything that is available here. Now, what we want to use now is the tools aspect.
Okay.
Yes, that's what we want to use. The tools that made this Bekenet what it is. Why this one smash 100 is just for the newbie that doesn't understand anything about analysis and all that. Now is the main business we want to do now. So now let's go to this, what's it called? Price alert / indicator. We will now come here. Look at it. Set key level alerts.
Okay.
You load it up. No fear, load them up. So long your notification is working, as price is touching a resistance, it will notify you.
Okay.
this price touch support, it will notify you. And the rule says that, not be my rule, said general rule, if price get to a resistance, let's use resistance, there are two things that is going to happen. If the momentum is much, it will break it.
Yeah.
If there's no enough momentum, it will reject it.
Yeah, to come down at
Yes.
least. Even if it's going to later break it, it will if the momentum is not high, it will first come down. It will reject it.
And gather momentum to go and break it.
Exactly.
So now this system has the ability now to notify you either price touch. Once it is some at all, it don't send you notification. So now you know what you want to do.
Okay.
Yes. So now let's go into it now. You click here, set key notification. You click on this blue one. You see that we have the daily here.
Yeah.
We have the weekly. We have the monthly. But me, I don't get time for daily.
Okay.
I don't have, because the daily, the profit there is not stable, because I can get a notification today. I take the trade. Tomorrow, another key level will form. I get a notification tomorrow. Maybe I'm buying and price touch resistance. I'll start selling. My buy will still be open. Bro, I prefer the weekly.
Yeah.
Everything that is going to happen in that week, let it tell me.
Okay.
All I need to do now is come here, select my good. I load it.
Okay.
Select any of the pair. You can load as much pair, the volatile pairs here. This is for key level. I'm not talking about smash 100. This is for key level, because when price get to a resistance, no matter how less volatile the pair is, it must break, it must reject or break. There's always a move in the market there. So just load the ones like JPY. can load this. Just load. I loaded everything, but just I turned off my notification. I just load everything. So now I've loaded 3 now. Let me load another one. This one here. So long your notification is working, then you now come here, click on this place, click on history, view history. I'll now come here, click on weekly key level. That's what I loaded.
Okay, click sorry. Let me see. Go to history. I didn't get that place.
Look at it. After you must have load your pair here. Look at it. Set key level. Select the week. Select the pairs and all that. Now you want to see the ones that you ask the system to monitor for you. Click on what? This view history. View history. What is the key level that I loaded on? Is weekly.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, it's weekly I'm using. Weekly is perfect. No do any other thing. Weekly is perfect. Leave daily. You understand? Weekly is, we only put daily there. Maybe we want to know what is happening on that particular day. We don't have the time to go to the inbuilt start. Let it just notify me if price is getting to those levels and all that. But weekly is powerful. Okay? Weekly is very powerful. So once you click on this weekly history, you'll see my account. I load everywhere, Jam. You see, over 15 pairs. And as you can see, I post so many. I post this one. As you can see, pause. That's why I did not get notification. I pause this one. I pause this one. I pause. Because I wanted to concentrate. I pause all of them. Almost all. This one is open. You see? So you can pause. I post almost all of them. That's why I did not get even good. If not, I would have got a notification. I pause good. I pause this. And even I did not pause this guy, it would have notified me that price has touched a support level. By now, for all the smash, the buy come.
I get you.
If you can see almost all of them, I pause them because the week is almost gone. I've gotten what I want to get. I've made money on Tuesday, Wednesday. And Monday, Tuesday, I've made money already. That's why I pause, because this thing is all about temptation.
Yes,
you have to put that rules, because if I get this now, there's a chances I win though. But what if I can't lose money when I don't make? To make 20K no be big, so
yes, so
what if I can't lose 20K? Where's I won't tell my creator free 20K over 20 something million, I'll call blank because of greed. That's more than enough for me to live well in a mood. So there's nothing for greed. So that's why I post everything. I post all this key level. You understand? So next week now, I'm going to on all of them back. All I need to do is just click resume.
Okay.
Click resume. Look at it.
Where
click resume.
Where
Look at you click here, pause. Once you click pause, It will pause it. Then if you want to, now let's do it. I'll click resume now. It's going to open it for me. It has refreshed. As you can see, gold has opened. You see open, open, open slash open. So if there is a key level reaction now, it will notify me. But I don't want to do it. I don't want temptation. I'll pause it. I'll click pause.
Okay.
You see, everything is paused.
Okay.
So now we've programmed the system now to be watching. Okay. Now we've programmed the system now to watch if the price is reacting to any key level whatsoever. Okay. So once you touch it, you'll get a notification. Papa, price has reacted to this key level. Now, once price react to arrow 1, arrow 2, arrow 3. Now, this is what I do. We have arrow 1. Okay, let's go to the inbuilt chart. May you get this thing clear. Let's go to the inbuilt chart. Let's say, for instance, we'll use that one that is obvious, which is CAD JPY.
Yeah.
Let's use CAD JPY. Okay, understand the trick. Now let the price get to this level. Okay. And notify. Now, immediately as price is dropping, if price gets here, it will notify you. Price has touched arrow 1. As it come here, it will notify you. Price has touched support 2. It will notify you as price has touched support 3. Even if at here, let's say price touch this place, you don't need to buy immediately. All you need to do, as it's touched this place, we know it's going to bounce. But you see now it broke it. It broke it. That's why you don't need to buy immediately. That's where your sniper entry comes in play.
Correct.
The purpose of that sniper entry, it is not going to tell you buy immediately. It will wait and look for an entry for you when everything has settled down. When all their blood don't giddy as it drops. So immediately it's dropping like this. You get a notification price has touched S1. As it's dropping again, you get notification as price has touched S2. As it's dropping, is even if you set your sniper entry here, it's not going to tell you buy because the momentum is still heavy. Okay. Now, when everything don't settle down, it might be the next day safe that price will tell you to buy, and we'll confirm it now. Okay. Okay. So had it been with my notification was enabled, I did not post it. I will get it first here. Say price don't touch resistance. Okay. Sorry, support 1. It will see in few hours again. It will tell me price that touch support 2. It will tell me again. So long I have programmed it here first. Yeah. The system will monitor and from to give me a sniper entry to buy. Now, the rule says that if price touch a support, we're supposed to buy. Yeah. If price touch a resistance, we're supposed to sell. Yeah. You don't sell instantly. We'll use the sniper entry to get an entry. All right. You get it. Now, let's assume now this candle has not formed. This one never formed. Most saying that yesterday with the price just touched this support level. Bam, bam. Price has touched support 1 or support 2, support 3. All I need to do quietly, click home, click here, click this place here, look for this guy here, sniper entry. That is the purpose of sniper entry. Because sniper entry, you don't just go there and take a trade. No, you use it to combine with a key level or a trend direction. Okay. Now we are working on key level now. Price reacted to the support level. Now we want to buy. We don't want to enter immediately because we've not known that the selling has been exhausted. So it's a sniper entry that will help us to know if that sell has been exhausted and give us a go ahead. Now, if I open this sniper entry, you see that maybe we should be in 2, 3 candle or 7 candle or 14 candles of a bullish move. Okay. Okay. Now let's confirm it. I'm using my head now to calculate what the software is supposed to do, and that is what is exactly what we're going to see. So now let's click the sniper entry and look for that card JPY. I'll click here, look for that card JPY. Let's see what is going on. Card JPY. We're looking at it. If you see it, let me know.
That's it. No, that's GPB.
Card JPY. Card JPY.
Go up.
Have you look at it?
No.
Look at card JPY. You see what I told you?
Where's
bullish move.
Okay. Bullish move. Wow.
Numbers of candle 9. So meaning that Adibe will set it, because normally as he told us price is on a price just reacted to a key level. Wetin I go first do now to just come here, click this buy to program it, because as it's falling, price is on a bearish move as at yesterday. All I need to do is click. I'm coming. Let me. Okay, now sorry for the. Are you there?
I'm there.
Yes. He's a friend in UK that want to learn programming. You know that what is running there now.
Okay. So you train people on programming as well?
No, it's a private stuff. He's my guy. You understand? So since he's there already, so he knows I'm into programming. So we were just doing one-on-one training and all that.
Okay.
Yes, that's it. So now that we've gotten what price reacted to that key level, this is very simple. Price got to that key level, which is support. All you need to do, just rush. No place trade, though. Rush and click buy, because it touched the support. You click buy. You now relax for this sniper entry to now notify you to buy, or you'll be monitoring it when you see what one candle or two candle and you see a bullish confirmation here, or you see a bullish move. That is the only time you can start buying.
Okay, it will show bullish here. It will
it will show currently now it's buying, but it has retraced a little bit. You see it as bullish. You see the way it wrote here, bullish confirmation. You see it here, bullish confirmation. You see bullish move, and you see first phase. It's on its first phase. You see a first phase, but before then it will notify you to buy. Then you start buying. That's where you see me. I'll buy from the low. That's I'm using key level. You buy from that support and go. If you look at the candle now, it's moving up from that daily candle.
Okay, so sorry. So the three things we are checking here. Number one, we'll check if it's at the first phase level.
Yes, it would check. No, this is manual way. But if you program it already, it can only notify you when it is in first phase. Everything has been aligned. Bullish confirmation is showing here. Bullish move. That's the only time it will notify you. But if your notification is not working, all you need to do just manually be watching this thing for you to see, because you've programmed it for a buy now, for you to see a bullish move. Bullish move here, bullish confirmation, first phase. Numbers of candle from 1 to 6. If you are doing it manually, maybe your notification is not working. But if your notification is working, just program immediately price touches support level and you get a notification. Just rush to the sniper entry, click this guy. Then this one will do the job for you. So immediately if you want to start buying, it will notify you, tell you let me show you the way to send you on the SMS alert. Okay,
Okay,
I
once
believe
I
you don't used to receive SMS alert, but let me show you how it will look like. This is Bekenet. Let me
okay.
show you. Look at it. This is how it's going to write it in your notification. Look at this. It will tell you that, let's say, the name of the pair. It will just give you the name of it. Tell you sniper entry confirmed. It's telling you
Okay,
to buy.
okay, okay.
That's the way you're going to see it on
Once
the
you click
notification.
that once you click that buy, it's not that you have
Yes.
to set anything. You just click that buy.
Yes. Once you
Let
click
me
that buy, you relax for the system to look for opportunity. Once the opportunity comes, it will now notify you
all
to
right.
go and buy. Yeah, you don't need to rush. Allow it. Immediately price that touch a key level, a support, go to the sniper entry, place buy. If you touch a resistance, go to the sniper entry, place sell.
All
Click
right.
sell, I mean. Then you relax.
Okay. Okay.
As you can see, that yesterday trade, it was today that it triggered because we have about 9 candles. Should be
Mm.
about 1 or 2 o'clock. That's why it triggered for people to start buying.
Okay.
So
Mm.
this one requires patience too. You don't rush. You allow
Mm.
everything to settle down because price drop down straight up. It will notify you support 1, notify you support 2, notify you support 3. Throughout yesterday, it did not give signal. It was this morning, 9 candles, this morning that I told us to start buying.
Mm. 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 I guess.
So that's that. So that's the pro aspects of you using what? Key level. The pro aspect of you what? Using key level. This is very powerful, super powerful. You see that if you understand this thing, you'll be buying from a low,
Mm.
selling from the high, because price is reacting to a key level, and that key level you're using sniper entry to enter when you want to drop. Now when you want
Mm.
drop, you go enter. Now when you want buy, you go enter.
Okay. But let me ask, how will I know if my SMS is working? Because once the alert drop that okay, this thing is at key level, maybe resistance or support. Now I've
Yes.
already gotten that, and I came to my snapper entry.
Yes.
Let's assume the one we check now, like for buy,
Yes.
card GPY. Now I came here and I saw okay, card GPY, and I click buy at the snapper
Yes.
group here.
Entry.
If I now relax that okay, I will get SMS when it's ready.
No, 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 not you are in UK now. We've not activated SMS for UK. It's that same notification, that your device notification that will see drop will tell you to buy.
No, I didn't get.
Okay, now have you been receiving notification alerts?
That was for when I set it for the one I subscribed for volatility. But now
When
I'm
you
going to
set it
use
for what?
that was when it was synthetic that I subscribed for. Now if I subscribe for FX now, will I be getting notification with the UK
Yes,
live?
of course. The notification is general.
Okay, when you said you have not set UK's notification.
No, see, listen. We have device notification. Device notification works anywhere. No country can hold that one.
Okay,
It's coming from our server directly to your phone.
okay,
Why SMS is being controlled by the service provider. Currently now we have it in Nigeria, we have it in Ghana, we have it in South Africa.
okay, okay,
Yes. So those in South Africa can receive SMS alert like me. Those in Ghana can receive SMS alert like me. Those in Nigeria can still receive SMS alert. Why device notification is for anywhere in the world, even if you are in Pluto, so long there's internet service, you will
okay.
get notification alert.
So I'll now set device notification.
You've already set it. But immediately you program that thing to test notification, your system has already been programmed to receive notification alert. Either you are trading crypto, you are trading forex, you are trading synthetic.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
So once you first of all go to that to set your key level alerts,
okay,
immediately price react to that. The same way you are receiving synthetic alert, that's the way it will still drop.
okay,
It will notify you. Then if you now come to this sniper entry and program it the same way too, you will still get a notification that it is time to buy.
okay. And there's no time to, because there was a time that you gave us. I think you loaded everybody with $2 on their notification SMS. That one is not
uh,
device SMS.
No, that $2 is for SMS. You are in UK now, it will not work.
It will not work. I get you now. So
Yes, your
immediately I get
$2 will still be there. It's not going to work
okay,
because you
so
did
now
not put your number.
all right. So now if I
Yeah.
subscribe, I will just go and set the notification and I will check. So I will
See,
see.
now we will come back to this place.
All right.
Let's click here. This is where you came to set your notification device. Once you've done this thing, you've done it for once. For all
Okay.
forest, synthetic, and everything.
Oh, I get you now. I've done it. I've done that. Okay.
You don't have any problem. It's only when you no longer receive notification, that's when you come and fix all the errors, you reset and start the same process.
All right.
Yes, because the app has two forms of notification. We have the one for device. We have the one for SMS.
Okay.
Yes, that's just it. So now you are in UK, you don't need SMS because we've not activated the notification for SMS. So the one you have is what? Device notification.
Okay.
Yes. So anything you're programming, you'll get it as a device notification. So long your notification is working, you'll be fine.
All right.
Yeah. So now let's go back to our sniper entry.
Okay.
Let's go back. So now once price, let's get it again. If price react to support, we'll rush to sniper entry to place buy.
Yeah.
If price react to a resistance, we'll rush to a sniper entry to place what? Sell.
Okay.
And relax for the system to notify. Don't just place trade though. Relax for the system to tell you to buy. Then immediately it told you to buy, you still run back to that inbuilt chart and look at where the level is. Put your support, if you're buying, your stop loss below the current support. Or you can use, if it has exhausted, just the way everything exhausted, you just switch to daily and put it below a support level.
All right.
You relax. Simple as ABCD.
I understand now.
Yes. Yeah. I believe you don't know this one before now.
I don't know it honestly. These are what I have been struggling with. What is happening?
Okay. But it's very clear now. You understand it because you are a pro trader. You have been doing it manually before.
Yeah.
But now the system will help you organize everything and tell you exactly when the market want to start rejecting or when they start to break. That's the only time you come in.
Okay.
So this sniper entry is only designed for if price touches support, tell me when you want to move. If price touch a resistance, tell me when you want to drop.
Okay.
It doesn't tell you when you want to break. It will tell you that one. Maybe now with your experience, you know say this thing go break, then you can trade. But how it's designed, like if it touch, let me clean it again. If it touches a resistant level, you go and program it. Tell me when you want to come down. Even if price is still going up, it will not tell you that it's going to come down. It's only when everything has been settled. It will not tell you, start selling now. But so long price has reacted to a key level, go and a resistant level, go and program it for a sell.
Okay.
You allow the market to keep on buying. Buy when you don't buy, reach where you won't buy. Immediately the sniper entry sees that there's going to be a drop, it will not notify you. So long price has touched a key level, you'll be fine. A resistance. The same thing with support. Once price, let's say this is support 1, support 2, support 3. If price touch here, go and set it for a buy. Even if price is still dropping, it will not tell you to buy.
Okay.
Touch it. You will still get a key level notification that price has touched support 2. You already program it before. You don't need to do anything. I'll show you how to check the history. You come here again. Even if you click it, you still have that memory that is looking for a buy opportunity. Even if price touch the support level, it cannot trigger buy because time never reach. Yes. It's only when you notice that there's going to be a shift in the market now, it will not tell you to buy. By that time, price don't move.
Wow, this software, I don't know how you program this.
So that's it. So
Wow.
now let's go to the sniper entry and see how we'll be able to see if I actually, because I just programmed the buy for this guy, but it's not going to give me notification because that price already passed. You understand? It's already buying, or he can only give me notification when the candle is just starting. The market just start. But this is how you check your history on sniper entry to know the pair that is working currently on this. Look at it. You go to sniper entry history. You click it. I program some pairs. Okay, in case this one did not enter. So let me go and do it again. Maybe I did not click it. Let's go back. As you can see, it's only gold that is here. I'm waiting to sell gold.
Okay.
I'm waiting for a sniper entry for gold. But it never trigger. You understand? It has been there since. I programmed it since on Monday. So it's only when you give me a signal, that's when I will smash. But for now, no selling. So now let's go to the sniper entry and program that card JPY so that you know how to check it on your history. As you can see, my history is only holding gold only. So let's go to that card JPY. Okay, look at it. Let's say, for instance, price reacted to that key level. All I need you just click this guy. Just click. You see it. It tell me card buy.
Yeah.
You tell me alert has been set for card JPY. This is what the message you're going to get. You just click OK. So if I go to my history now, you see gold and card JPY. Those are the things they are monitoring for me. So I'll come here, sniper entry history. You see, they have 2 pairs there.
Okay.
So you say, but for now, nothing is going to trigger because price has already gone far. So I'll need to delete this guy so that I'll not conflict myself. So I only have gold left here.
Okay.
Yes. So any question on this sniper entry now?
There's no question. Okay, so but that means you can, as many as you want to set alert for, you can set it and you come to this history to see them waiting. So if
yes, you see
anybody,
them waiting.
if anyone
once it trigger, it will delete itself.
Oh, good.
Then why the alert for key level, once price react to key level, if you program a particular pair, you've programmed it already, so it will be helping you to monitor it even if it's next week. I say you don't need to be setting it all the time. Once you loaded those pair, you load it. Or the only thing you can do is to pause or delete. Maybe the notification is coming out too much. You just go and pause it.
Okay. Those
then
ones. Okay.
After that, you can resume it again for it to monitor again. But this sniper entry, immediately it tells you to buy, you delete itself because the mission has been accomplished.
All right.
Yes, that's how it works. So now we've understand how to use what when price reacts to a key level, which is when it touches support, will rush to a sniper entry and what place the buy. If it touch a resistance, we'll rush to a sniper entry and place a sell. Then relax, wait for our confirmation. Once our confirmation come, we are good to go.
Okay.
There is always a high chances of when price react to a key level. Now sharp. There's all because there's going to be a pullback or a retracement. There's always there's in that one day like magic. If you understand it, because as price is reacting to a key level, there must be a pullback. And use that as an opportunity to smash the market.
Is it now a must that pullback must get to another resistance? Like if there's a pullback, if it touches
no, it's not really a must. That's why it's for pro. You understand? You need to check it. The most important thing, we want to enter when there's going to be a rejection.
Yeah.
So it's left for you to confirm if we don't have that ability yet. It's just for you to confirm if this thing is going to continue in that direction or it's just a short move.
Okay, so you don't need to
we need to seize opportunity. The only strategy that we hold for long is what smash 100 because everything has been calculated already.
Yeah. So this one is just like maybe a retracement move that you just quickly want to catch little profit and get out.
Yes, it can be a retracement or a reversal of the trend.
Exactly.
Yes, depending on how you are good. But the only thing, the purpose of the sniper entry, once price get to the bottom, it must spike up. So that time you want to spike up, more collect small thing first.
Exactly.
Then if we know that spike will continue, we start trailing stop and be going, they follow and they go. But there are sometimes that is dropping, it will just spike up a little bit, drop down again. So that's why it's for a pro. You need to understand all those things. But what is good about it is that it will tell us when that spike want to happen.
Okay.
Then we use it as an advantage to take something from there. So you don't sleep on it. It's a sharp stop. Then you do your own proper analysis as what a pro trader that you are. The only thing you expected so that we will not have you hardly have drawdown on this. You hardly have drawdown because price has reacted to a support or a resistance. It must bounce up, either go and gather momentum and come back and continue his journey, or Shegube, he will continue to the run from that place.
Okay, I understand.
It's understood, yes. So now, the next thing now, this is the number one aspect we use sniper entry for.
Okay.
That's the key level. Then there's another way we use trend direction. We combine it with sniper entry. Now, let's go to that one. Trend direction. I'm going to click on trend direction. And there's another one to overall trend direction. You can see use sniper entry on it.
Okay.
But let's go to overall trend direction. I'll click here, click on this. You see overall trend direction. Now this one will tell me, had it been it's Monday, it will tell me everything that is going to happen on those pairs, everything that is going to happen on that trend direction. As you can see, GBP USD overall trend direction is bullish. Euro USD overall trend direction is bullish. Gold overall trend direction is bullish. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Euro USD card overall trend direction is bearish. So as you're seeing it like this, it's left for you once you know the overall trend direction, meaning that you want to be only following the overall trend direction. Let's say, for instance, this GBP card is telling us the overall trend direction is bullish. I can only buy by using my sniper entry. The only thing I'll focus on is to buy. Focus on buy. So once I see this now, I'll go to my sniper entry and program it for a buy. So when the market want to start buying again, because there's an overall trend direction of buy, it will notify me.
Okay. This one is cool now. This one is better. You know, you are dealing with direction. As in, you are going
this one you don't need to check rejection and all that. But the another thing is that it will just be moving along what the market is, the original direction of it.
The market, yeah.
Yes. So you are using that sniper entry now to follow the original direction of the market.
Okay.
Because the overall trend direction, daily candle or whatever what the system is using will tell you that throughout this week now up won't go, but lower time frame will be going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So when it's coming down again, you start buying. As it's coming down again, you buy. Do you understand? That's where the sniper entry comes in. Because as price is telling you now to buy overall trend, if you start buying now, there might be a drawdown. For lower time frame. Now that drawdown is what the sniper entry take advantage of. Because this is going to be a drawdown. You will now program it to only look for buy for me. As it's coming down, the drawdown, when it starts moving up again, sniper entry will notify you because it's what you program it for. That's what it will look out for you.
Okay, so even with this, you can just set it and leave it for a whole week.
Only if you see it here. Only if you see this one, overall trend direction. And look at this overall trend direction is a whole lot. Now let me look for like this guy now. This guy was in a bearish move.
Okay.
First candle. Meaning that there's every chances, or let me show you something. The reason why this guy dropped yesterday.
Hello?
Look at now the reason why this JPY pair has been on a bullish move for over 52 candles, which is about 600 and something 400 hours. So if you check this thing, it's more than 3 weeks, 4 weeks. So immediately I got a turning point, irrespective of what this guy said. This thing doesn't buy for a long time.
I get.
Do you understand? It has been buying for a long. If you look at the chart, write down this pair, or just go back and check the ones that have been having big candles. They've been buying for a long time. They have been on up move for a long time, and they get to a level they had to crash themselves down. Even with the crash now, the system is still saying as an overall trend direction is still bullish. So these ones are for the pro who understand it very well. But the simple way to trade with it, even when that market is crashing, if you program it now for a bullish move, it's not going to trigger for that.
Okay.
It can only trigger when the market wants to start buying alongside. Even with
Yeah.
that crash, it will not tell you to buy.
Okay. Good.
Even with that crash, it's not going to tell you to buy. It can only look for, as it is now, there's currently a retracement going on here by trying to buy back this market. So if you already know that this thing is an overall trend bullish, as that sell is happening, it no concern, you are waiting for a buy. Once it drop, reach where you want drop, go, you buy.
Okay.
If the sniper entry will not notify you when the price want to start buying, you start buying.
Okay. I understand.
So you can use that sniper entry for key level. You are using it for overall trend direction. The overall trend direction, you program it to align with what the overall trend direction is saying. So it can only notify you because you know the overall trend direction is bullish. It can only notify you when price is moving up. Notify you when price is moving up. Why sniper entry? Key level. Once price react to a key level, a support level, you program it for a buy. It can only tell you that it's going to buy. So there are two different things entirely. It's just for you to understand it. You understand it, right?
Yeah. It's clear. It's clear. Yeah.
Very clear. Then this one now, this overall trend direction this one is the overall of the whole trend direction. Then we still have the trend direction for daily, for 4 hours, for 1 hour. All these ones are for pro. So you can easily go to a 4 hours and you see it's a bullish move. 4 hours for that day. But you want to enter. You want to buy. Let's go to 4 hours. Let's see.
Weekly.
But these two I've showed you is more than enough for you to make money. And the remaining one now is just simple trend direction, turning points, and neutral trend. That's the only thing we need to work on now. So once I come here, click trend direction. This trend direction is broken down for daily, 4 hours and 1 hour. So now let's say go for daily. Daily is still telling me is in the last phase of a bullish move.
Okay.
Do you understand? Yes, in the last phase of a bullish. I can, since I already know it's still in a bullish move for the day, I can still go to my sniper entry, buy alongside with this guy.
Okay.
Yes, simple as it. Just go and program it, buy. When there's a buy movement, it will notify you start buying. That's how you combine it. But it's better you use the overall trend direction because there are sometimes daily will be buying, 1 hour will be selling, 4 hours will be buying. So it's better you use the overall trend direction, the organic of them. But if you are good with normal lower time frame, you can say now 4 hours is on the bearish move. Let me take advantage of it. Let me use sniper entry to enter when you want to sell again.
Okay.
Yes. That's the combi. You see that there is not a fixed strategy. It's because you understand all these things. So we are using sniper entry to take advantage of what the trend direction. Yes.
So which one is the best? Which one are you concentrate on that you are really using? I want to use the one you are using.
The one I love most is key level.
Okay.
Key level. That one are standard. Once price get even the that governor of USA, you know, say once price touch resistance, it go bounce. He know that one, he go bounce. Check it now. Later, go check all the key levels, all the pay. You see that once price react to a key, it must bounce. Now, not sure. Even at it's sure, you don't use all your money to trade. No.
Yeah.
Not sure. Why this one is a continuation, that overall trend direction, you can use that one to hold trade. Most especially when you see it on one candle, overall trend direction, you can use it to enter and hold the trade for days. Like there's one I did on synthetic. I held the trade for like 7 days or 8 days. I made about $80 on it.
Wow.
Yes, I held it because synthetic told me the numbers of candles started when over. Let me show you the overall trend direction, how it looks like. So let's say, for instance, we are seeing this guy. Where is it again? We're seeing this JPY now as 1. That means the trend direction just started.
Okay, yeah.
The overall trend direction, it just changed because it was already up before, but it just changed now to 1. All I need to do is to use my sniper entry to enter and relax, because this guy will change to 2, this guy will change to 3, will change to 4, it will change to 5. So the more it changes, the more the market is dropping, the more profit I will be collecting.
Yeah.
So I'm using this one as a swing trade.
Okay.
Because let's do the math here. Adibi, we spotted this candle when it was 1, the overall trend direction. I use sniper entry to enter. Go back, count like 52 candles, your 1 hour. You see the number of profit you should have made if you spotted it. So this one is for, you can combine it with swing trading. Do you get it now?
Yeah. So it's even better if you are going, if you are using key levels like that. You should use key levels towards the direction of the market. Like if the overall, market trend is buy, then
Yes.
you are looking for key levels that it will hit the support, and when it's about to buy, that's when the sniper entry will notify
You
you.
are in this, your brain doesn't click now. Your brain doesn't click. You are in the spirit now. You don't understand. That's exactly what I wanted to tell you. You don't align now. So let's say, for instance, the overall trend direction is a bullish move, and price now drop it down to a support level, and you now use sniper entry to enter the buy. Oh, but you don't finish now.
You will just go rest.
You don't finish. You don't finish. You've understood it now. You don't understand. So that's what I always preach. This is for what? Pro traders, not before.
In fact, even if you use 0.02, or if we use 0.01 safe, just go rest.
Go rest. Because everything has aligned. Because price just move down to a support to gather momentum to continue the journey. And you now use sniper entry to enter that key level. Oh boy, you don't move. So that's that it is. That's how it is.
It makes sense. God bless you. I really appreciate to.
That's how it is. So these ones now, I have one guy that I want to train by 7 o'clock. So maybe tomorrow we'll continue. Do you understand? But for now, the only thing that is remaining is not really much. The only thing that is remaining, we've done this. The only thing that is remaining that we just need to talk about, they're not to get wicks like that, like others, which is the neutral trend.
Okay.
And what is again? Neutral trend, underneath 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily trend direction. You understand? But those ones is not as powerful as the key level and the overall trend direction.
All right.
Yes. Why the smash 100? Smash 100, is normal. It will just help you analyze and tell you to buy. You just go to your inbuilt chart and check what is going on, because that overall trend direction, that smash 100 follow the principle of overall trend direction. So if the market is in a bullish move, it can only tell you to buy. It cannot tell you to sell. Yes, it aligns with that, but it just give you it's not a sniper entry. It will just tell you when to buy, but it's not really a sniper entry. So that's why most times when you enter, you get a little drawdown. But at the end of the day, it will go up. But if you want to filter out everything, as it's telling you buy, your instinct is telling you that this if you get drawdown, just go and program sniper entry.
Okay.
But there are sometimes immediately you program that sniper entry, price will just go up. They go up. Before sniper entry will trigger, profit already go. It will now wait for it to reverse again, drop down before sniper entry will trigger. So it's just simple common sense.
That's the one you talked about now. Is that the smash 100 though?
Yes, smash 100 works with the overall trend direction. So if price is on a bullish move, it will tell you only to buy. Do you get it? So if it's on a bullish move, it can only tell you to buy. That's the only thing it will tell you.
So when it now tells you to buy, you can
as it's telling you to buy too, it's not using sniper engine to fit out any drawdown. That's why you enter the market, you see that you'll be in a loss, drawdown. But at the end of the day, you'll still be in profit. But if you want to filter out everything, Papa, you don't want to see any drawdown go there, but you don't want to see them too much. As it's telling you 0 candle buy, go to your sniper entry, check the phases of that. Look at it. Let's go to sniper entry. Check the phase when that sniper entry go. Check the phase. If it's in the last phase, let's say for instance, GBP USD, Smash 100 told us to buy. And we come here, we see last phase here. If we see last phase, bullish move, that means this last phase will turn to a first phase of a bearish move. That's why we'll now be getting drawdown. We'll now be getting drawdown. So once that bearish move is over, from that first phase of bearish move, it will now enter last phase of bearish move. It will now enter first phase of bullish move, aligning with what the Smash 100 is telling you. You can't see everything go just move. So that's why when you enter, it might be that the time it told you to buy, the sniper entry is already on a bearish move. So the circle must complete. You will now have that drawdown. You have something like drawdown like that until this sniper entry now enter the bullish realm. From what it's telling you, now see you start making profit. But with this time now, it might take hours. You call the panic or I'm having drawdown. You call go close. But it's a circle. It's trying to complete a circle.
Okay, so it's better that when we see Smash 100 saying buy like that and candle is a zero, within zero, whatever, we could come to sniper as well to come and check, or we come and check the alert as well for buy.
No. You can come. Let's say for we'll take this one as example. Sniper entry told us to sell. Let's say it told us to sell. If you come here, you are seeing bearish move. And you're seeing first phase. It's actually aligned with what he's saying. But if he told us to sell, you come here, you are seeing a bullish move. First phase. Meaning this bullish move will go complete first. It will go up, come down again last phase before it will now enter a first phase of a bearish move. Meaning it's not that you must understand it very well. You must understand it. This one I confuse most of them.
What I'm asking is that one, in that case, you don't need to come and click to set. You have to just come and wait and check.
You can still click to set so that it can notify you when the circle is complete for a buy.
Okay.
Yes.
That means sniper entry is everything then. Even when you use like Smash 100 and it's telling you to buy, you still come to sniper entry to click buy.
It's not a must. It's not a must because there are sometimes this the last phase can do crazy profits. You can do crazy profits. So it's just your understanding. Maybe you look at this thing will drop small. It will drop small, but I don't want just enter yet. You can just come here and program it. But most times, if you enter with Smash 100, it will just start going up. There are sometimes you will just have a drawdown. I'm just trying to make you understand the reason for that drawdown.
Yes, I understand. I understand perfectly. I understand.
So that's that. So this little one now, this little one, I will post this video, then go back and watch it again.
Okay, you record it. It's recorded, right?
Yes, I'm recording it now.
Thank you.
Let me see. Where is this Telegram channel?
Then lastly, Bekenet, I beg. Now
it's registered, recording now.
Glory to God. I beg, just let me send it. That's my own archive. I will store it forever. What now? Another thing, Bekenet. At least we are celebrating your birthday now. You promised us that if we subscribe, you give us 2 month subscriptions or something.
Yes. It's still available. It's going to end on the 14th.
I beg. Make I subscribe.
No wala. Just click. Look at it. It's there already. Just click on this. Where is it again? Click on subscribe. You see birthday discount. So any price that you see there, that's what you send. If you see 69,000, you send. You refresh. If you see 70,000, you send. This is the lowest it can go. 47,600. You refresh. You see 55. You see anyone that comes up that you can afford, you send. They will give you 2 months of it.
Now 47. Now that 47 I go refresh.
You refresh now. If it comes up, fine for you.
I'll do that this morning.
All right. So no problem. Just practice this thing. It's very simple. I believe you don't know all these things before. That's why they struggle.
Mm, mm,
Yes.
mm.
Okay, so
Exactly.
now I'm going to save this, then post it. Those that want to watch it will watch it. Then it's you that will use it doing the recording, so you understand everything very well. Watch
Yeah.
it, watch it, then you see that your trading journey will change.
Yeah.
All right.
Exactly.
So
I really
all right.
appreciate it. Thank you
Thank
so
you very
much.
much, sir.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.